I'm sorry, I find this actually quite funny. So I've put that in. It's this one here. Couldn't do, what was it? Couldn't do that, and that, because that node is not in and that node is not in either. Alright, so there's two that are going to come up to here, to there, which will then go across to those two. But these ones being pre-printed is that line there. So I've instead of doing from here to there, there and there, that's not in, but that one is. So I had to do this one, that one, that one, yeah, this one, that one, that one, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. And I thought, all right, once I've got those in, it's a 3D jigsaw puzzle basically. Well, you have to put things in the right order, otherwise, and only onto things that are already in. I wanted to do this one, right? So we can do there to there, no problem. All right, okay, all right. So this one goes down on the floor there, and goes to that one, and goes to that one, no problem. Where is it going to connect to on height to give you that trapezoid? Let's have a look at that one. That one goes to one on the back layer, which is being printed out and isn't attached to anything either. That one goes to some of those in the air that's thing. That one goes, ooh, we can do it, we can do it, 35, woo, woot. That long one goes to 35, so there's one that goes from there up to there. That's a really long one, that one. So yippee-ki-yay, we can actually do it. And once that one is in, we can also then do that one, and no, we can't. We'll have to do that one first, and then this one first, and then we can do 1, 2. No, we can't. Sigh. I should have these ones behind me printed out, which is this line here. That by then, once I've done that one, so I will do B10 next, just for fun, just to be obtuse. It's really tricky.